Hello, friends. Today I am here with one more important book to improve our knowledge and become successful in life. The Mind in the Making, by James Harvey Robinson, is a thought provoking book that explores various aspects of human psychology, education, and social behavior. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Introduction to Human Mind. Robinson introduces the complexities of the human mind and explores how it influences behavior, perception, and learning. He emphasizes the importance of understanding the mind's workings to improve education and social progress. 2. Perception and observation. The author discusses the role of perception and observation in shaping individuals' understanding of the world. He explores how sensory experiences and cognitive processes influence perception and interpretation. 3. Memory and learning. Robinson examines the processes of memory and learning, discussing how experiences are stored and recalled in the mind. He explores different learning styles and strategies for enhancing memory and retention. 4. Imagination and creativity. The author explores the power of imagination and creativity in human cognition. He discusses how imagination drives innovation, problem solving, and artistic expression, and explores ways to cultivate and nurture creative thinking. 5. Emotions and motivation. Robinson examines the role of emotions and motivation in human behavior. He discusses how emotions influence decision making, social interactions, and personal development, and explores strategies for managing emotions effectively. 6. Reasoning and critical thinking. The author discusses the importance of reasoning and critical thinking skills in navigating the complexities of life. He explores logical reasoning, analytical thinking, and problem solving techniques that help individuals make informed decisions and evaluate information critically. 7. Social behavior and morality. Robinson examines the social dimensions of human behavior, exploring how individuals interact with others and navigate moral dilemmas. He discusses the development of ethical principles and the role of empathy, compassion, and cooperation in fostering positive social relationships. 8. Education and self-development. The author discusses the implications of understanding the mind for education and self-development. He advocates for a holistic approach to learning that emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, and social emotional skills alongside academic knowledge. 9. Application in society. Robinson explores how insights into the mind can inform social policies, institutions, and cultural practices. He discusses the implications of psychological research for addressing social issues, promoting equity, and fostering collective well-being. 10. Conclusion: Cultivating the mind. The author concludes by emphasizing the importance of cultivating and nurturing the mind throughout life. He encourages readers to engage in lifelong learning, critical reflection, and personal growth to fulfill their potential and contribute to a better world. Overall, The Mind in the Making offers a comprehensive exploration of human cognition, behavior, and social dynamics. It provides valuable insights into the workings of the mind and offers practical implications for education, personal development, and social change. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!